Have you ever noticed something while working in Excel? Sometimes you have a long list of data with dates and values, and you want to calculate the total only for a specific period. For example, you may want to calculate sales between two dates. Many people solve this by manually filtering the data or scrolling through rows to select the range. This takes time and can easily lead to mistakes. But there is a much smarter way to do this using a powerful combination of Excel functions. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sum values between two dates automatically using a single formula. Let's go step by step. First, imagine we have a table. In this table, column B contains the dates and column D contains the values, such as sales amounts. Above the table, we have two input cells. Cell B4 contains the starting date, and cell C4 contains the ending date. Our goal is simple. We want Excel to sum all values that fall between these two dates. Now let's build the formula. Start by typing equals sign, then type SUM. This function will add all the numbers in a range. Open the parenthesis. Now we need to define the starting point of the range. Instead of selecting the cell manually, we will let Excel find the correct row automatically. For this, we use the lookup function. Type lookup, then open parenthesis. First, enter the lookup value, which is the starting date located in cell B4. Next, type a comma and select the lookup array, which is the list of dates in the table. In this example, select the range B11 to B28. Type another comma. Now select the return array, which contains the values we want to sum. That range is D11 to D28. Close the parenthesis. What this part of the formula does is very powerful. It searches the date column for the starting date and returns the corresponding value cell in column D. Now we need to define the ending point of the range. After the first lookup, type a colon. The colon tells Excel that we're defining a range that starts from the first result and ends at another result. Now we write another lookup function. Again, type lookup and open parenthesis. This time the lookup value is the ending date, which is stored in cell C4. Type a comma and again select the date column B11 to B28 as the lookup array. Type another comma and select the values column D11 to D28 as the return array. Close the parenthesis. Finally, close the parenthesis for the sum function. So the formula is essentially saying, first, find a value that corresponds to the starting date. Then find the value that corresponds to the ending date, and then sum everything in between those 2 points. Press Enter, and Excel instantly calculates the total for that entire date range. The best part is that this solution is fully dynamic. If you change the start date or end date, Excel automatically recalculates the total without needing to adjust the range manually. This method saves time, eliminates manual errors, and makes your data analysis much smarter. So the next time you need to sum data between dates in Excel, remember this powerful combination of lookup and SUM.